What is going on, friends? It's about 8 o'clock Friday morning and I am in Ridge Springs, South Carolina. They're part of the Peachtree 23 44-mile yard sale that goes from Batesburg, Leesville down to Modoc, South Carolina. We're going to see what we can find.
I'll do 3 for them.
Yeah, I just don't really know.
So what I'm seeing is there's actually a lot of dealers here and they're wanting pretty much eBay prices, so not too much profits left for me, but we're gonna keep on. How much is your purse? Six. I got a $5 bill burning a hole in my pocket. You take that?
Yeah.
There you go.
Thank you.
Appreciate you. I got it. I appreciate it. I'm gonna look real cool toting my purse around. My wife would be proud. How much is your Wii over there?
The what?
Wii? Nintendo Wii?
The what?
Wii, right here?
Oh, Wii.
Yeah.
I'm like, what? It is 25.
Is everything in there?
In the box. Hadn't been used hardly at all.
I have one of those that I think we got rid of when we moved.
I'll hold this part. There you go.
Oh, okay. I'll just throw it all about it.
No controllers.
No, but you know what? They are somewhere. It's just a matter of where they are. Not in there. But there are some. Just don't, you can leave it out. You don't have to.
Okay. I do 15. You don't have to look for them.
Okay.
I do that. You break 20?
Yeah, I have some ones, I think. You do. I did get some from the grocery store. Did you?
Now I got to figure out how to put it back in there.
You sure do.
Kind of cheated a little bit. There we go.
That goes with it.
Yeah, that's for the controllers.
Okay.
Awesome. Thank you.
Thank you.
You know you're in rural South Carolina when you get slowed down because the guy's hauling peaches. They did look good though.
I didn't like putting the word vintage on here because that just means I'm old. But I'm
Well,
found out.
and we can open these if you want
They're-
to see any of them.
Okay.
I think I've got the tape. Oh, I
And we
don't-
do have an extension cord if you want to verify that they work. We
Okay.
know they do, but I'd want to verify. I understand.
Right.
Well, it's got the owner's manuals inside and you know it's the head remotes. Now this Onkyo, this is probably late 70s. The Harman Kardon here is mid 70s.
Cool stuff.
Evidently Marantz and then Harman Kardon are the biggest names
Right.
back then.
Like being able to move things around.
I know, right?
Tells you you have empty space on the table.
I'd be happy
How much are you take up?
Debbie? Deb, $1 each on the head covers?
$1 each. How'd you know that?
I've heard it through the grapevine.
The prices on the head covers, the 5 wood is $5. The driver is $1.
I better put some back.
You play a 9 wood, you're big
Let me make it easy on you. Oh, that's too little of a bag.
He's buying half the Columbia Zoo.
You don't find them very often.
No.
Those things, I don't even want to remember how much they cost brand new, but we need more.
And he doesn't need the mittens either.
I need a bigger
That's
one.
right.
Let's start putting some of those in there.
Perfect. We'll count them as we go. 1,
One,
Really?
2,
two.
Hands me this bag.
He's gonna get more. A
3,
bigger another bag. 4,
No.
5.
You're a lot of help, Rocco.
I'm holding
Uh-oh.
her open.
Shout Uncle Sam.
6. Let's get you another
All
bag.
right.
Hold that. 6. We're at 6, right?
Yes, ma'am.
7. Get in there, Uncle Sam.
8.
8, 9. Oh, come on. Just get a. You got it. You can't leave Santa sitting there. 10.
I've never seen a Santa.
There you go. Well, you left
Perfect.
the Easter bunny off.
You sure you don't need the money?
Come on.
All right, throw him in there.
I'll throw him in.
Throw him
All
in
right.
there.
I think that was 12.
You can make
Did
me get all
count-
of 'em.
Did you count 12?
That was 12. Yes,
All
ma'am.
3, 4, and 5. Wow, hybrids.
You got change for a 20?
I do.
Or if you got a 10, I can do 22.
Never.
That'll save you some ones.
$5 for the whole thing.
It's 22.
22 is so I owe you 5.
10.
So 10.
How much?
$5?
You know if it works?
Well, the last time I saw it. Yes, sir.
Okay.
You know how that goes.
That's enough. $5. I mean, not gonna kill me, right?
You do the Guitar Hero?
I'm more of a Guitar Zero.
Oh, no.
I'm not coordinated. What are your clothes?
Hi there. Anything in this bag, in the bag itself, is $5. I
Okay.
wanted to keep this set
Together.
together. Yeah.
Sure. How much is the set?
35. I'll tell you about this set. I was in Las Vegas on a business trip and got a chance to play some golf. And I rented some clubs.
Oh, yeah?
I rented these. And it was a windy day, and I scored really well. So I went out and bought one, and I sold my TaylorMades.
Nice. Hey, you got to stick with what plays good.
Yeah, yeah.
Got to stick with it.
Yeah.
I'm gonna get that one from you.
Okay,
I see a
sure.
driving iron too often. They're pretty cool.
Yeah.
2, 3, 4, 20. Change for 20.
Yeah, I got 15. You got 15 in there?
These yours? You got 20 and 12. Are you 30 for both?
Yeah, these individual and this is set.
Yeah, you got 20 and 12. You do 30?
Yeah, okay.
Okay.
They just start out.
10. 20.
Okay.
Appreciate you.
Okay.
Take them however you got them.
What, dude? 20? 20? You 20 on them?
They're not mine, but I guess you know that's a high price shoe.
Yeah, they just got some stuff on them.
Alright, I'll just have
20?
I can let them out there see that, but they'll be one for the price.
Appreciate
You
it.
want a bag?
I can total. I can total.
I'll give you a bag.
I can total them. I'm gonna throw them right in the truck. I appreciate it.
Thank you.
And that was the Peachtree 23 44-mile long yard sale. At least the Friday version of it. Saturday's typically a little better, but still found some good items to resell. Gonna make some profits and only spent about 3 hours. Had a lot of fun. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like and subscribe. We'll see you next time.